Hey, Gareth and Janet here.
Hi.
We're getting off the ship today in Juneau, Alaska. And we're docked all the way down at the Franklin dock. So there's only one dock further down. So town is a little bit further walk. We're on the Carnival Luminosa. And Janet's holding the camera.
Woohoo!
So I'm free to wave my arms around.
And
course,
point.
I have this I have this camera. And the first thing I'm going to point at is there's a couple stores right here. I have no idea about prices, but there's a couple stores right here. And there's this old building. And then the Mount Roberts tramway way up there. So we walked into a store. The ship is just right outside the door there. Got a cough? Need some Dayquil? $25.99. So, ouch. Let's walk over here. Slightly cheap, $7.99.
Yeah, two big beds. It's a 3 bed.
You're recording. So, like I say, another ship can dock right there. And then there's 2 more spots as you go up into town. Way up there by that bridge, if you can see that bridge, is the Taku whale sculpture. You know, a full-size statue of a whale, and it's a fountain. And I can almost see it. It doesn't look very big from here, but you know, it's about 1.5 miles from where we are right now. So let's go up into town. We've got us some that one's got a boat on its back. Across the way there, that's Douglas. You get to it from the bridge, but I've never been to Douglas. But it's only April. Of course, it's near the end of April. Hey, a seaplane. And there's still snow up on all the mountains. And it's cold. Border protection. Of course, Alaska shares a border with Canada, our neighbors to the north. So normally, on a normal day, there would be people selling tours in these booths, like him. I guess we're in the back, though. There's more right there. This is the Mount Roberts tramway. I've also heard it called Gold Belt tram. So we rode that. Watch for a video on our YouTube channel. Hiked around up there on top of the mountain. Of course, it was raining that day, so it wasn't really that fun. So like I say, another ship or 2 can be right here, and then maybe one more up there. I think they have a limit of 5.
This is Tracy's Crab Shack that we're coming up to. It's a big hot spot.
Is it really? It's my second one. Second and my second one. Right now, you should
There's a current menu. And I'm going to say...
It's better. So I'm going to go for...
It's the same price it was when we were here last time, I think.
The price of these crabs have never changed damn good, you know? Use WRX. I've got friends in
Down
WRX.
there. Now that is good sea crab. It's fogging up the land.
It's all-wheel drive. Yeah. Whereas my GTI is not, you got to go to the R to get all-wheel drive.
And I guess you
And ours
remember
is
the Krabby Crew.
That's also the thing here. Nice.
Yeah, well, I put snow tires on all four of mine. I'm in upstate New York.
A cruise ship staple.
I mean, let me.
Not
A
Alaska.
few days before I left for Australia to come on the cruise.
So we've cut over to Franklin Street. And now we're, Franklin Street is the main shopping drive for cruise ship passengers. This, of course, is a parking lot. That is a parking structure with a library on top. And if you go up to the library, there's restrooms there. Although I think there's restrooms other places too. I mean, there was restrooms right when we got off the ship, remember? But lots of shops, and straight ahead, Red Dog Saloon. So we'll stick our heads in there, unless there's a line to get in there. Oh, watch out, scooters. We crossed the street, but now we're going to cross back over, and we're going to walk in the Red Dog so you can see what's going on in there. We will not stay there long. And we're going to stand here while this truck goes by. This must be the exit. Don't be afraid.
I wish somebody teach me to work mine.
I will. So there's Luminosa. But we're lucky today because we're the only ship and we parked outside there, so you can see it now. So this is the Country Lodge, Merchants Wharf Mall, and Filipino food cart there. And they're there every time we're here. So informational sign. Country Glacier Lodge. Juneau Food Store. Juneau Drugstore. Now the prices in that drugstore are a little bit less than they are down by the ship. You know, I think I showed you a bottle of Dayquil for $28. In there it's $20. That's City Hall, Juneau City Hall. When you get around this building, this is the Silaska Center. This is a museum here there too. See all the totems? I think if you look up this street, you'll see the Capitol. I believe it's that brownish building with all the black windows in it. Capitol of Juneau. the capital of Alaska, Capitol building. So if you want to take a bus up to Costco, if you come here, it's $2. They have one running about every hour, and then you got to walk a little bit from the bus stop up around. It's on the other side of this mountain to get to Costco, and then it's $2 back. But you can see the walkway going up behind there, up to the top of this little hill right here. And of course, these are houses. The governor's mansion is up in there somewhere. If you want to see what it looks like, check out one of our other videos. But there's the transit center. Now, you can also get a bus to Mendenhall Glacier. So you don't have to pay the $50. I don't know if it's two, but I know it's...
There's a dog taking a squat right in the middle of the parking lot.
But I know it's cheaper than 50, right? I don't know why that made me laugh so much. Anyway, 4 points for Sheraton. And yours. There's the Coast Guard across the street here.
Right here's the cultural center.
Came up this way because the Library Archives Museum is here.
Unfortunately, it'll be closed today because it's Sunday.
Market is kind of on the other side. I'm going to go up and then across. Now, if you want to see what's up there, like that long river coming down the hillside, check out one of our other Juneau videos. Because we walked up there. There's a park on the other side of those homes. And hiking trails. And in one of those other videos, we walk inside here. So, hey, the bus came down this street, and there's Foodland. So we're gonna walk inside there, try not to get hit. There's other shops and stores, including a bank.
Domino's Pizza.
Oh, Domino. So there's Foodland. Behind us is Gold Creek with the old rusty fence. And Ace Hardware if you need some hardware when you're here in town. So from Juneau, Alaska,
I'm Janet,
and I'm Garrett.
and we'll see you in the next part.
Bye.
Bye.